Objective geology, multiple choice questions with answers. This is the solved question paper of Technical Assistants Mines and Geology 2000 question paper. And I hope this solved question paper is useful for various competitive exams like CSR, NetGate, GSI and other exams. Welcome to set 3. Coming to the first question. Which is the most ancient formation among those given below? The choices are A. Dharwars, B. Vindhyans, C. Kadpas, D. Himalayas. The most ancient formation among these is the Dharwars. So Dharwar system, it is a part of the Archean rocks of India. It is a Dharwar crater and this is formed between 3.6 and 2.5 billion years ago. So the most ancient formation it is Dharwars. A is the correct option. Next question. In peninsular India, which formations span the age between the Carboniferous and the Jurassic? The options are A. Deccan Traps, B. Sivalics, C. Kaladgis, D. Gondwanas. The correct option goes as D. Gondwanas. Gondwana, a supercontinent that existed during the Carboniferous and Jurassic periods. It formed a part of the Pangaea and later broke up, with the western half, that is the Africa and South America, separating from the eastern half, that is Madagascar, India, Australia and Antarctica in the Jurassic. So in peninsular India, the formation, the Gondwanas, they span the age between the Carboniferous and the Jurassic. D is the correct option. Next question. In the Vindhyan system, beds of gypsum are associated with A. Kaimur, B. Rewa, C. Semri, D. Bandar. In the Vindhyan system, gypsum beds are associated with the Bandar. D is the correct option. Next question. The uppermost stage of Semri series is A. Kenjua, B. Porcelainite, C. Nimbahera and D. Rotas. So the correct option is D. Rotas. The Rotas limestone belongs to the top part of the lower Vindhyan or the Semri group. The Rotas formation is a Mesoproterozoic geological formation in the Katni area of central India, a part of the Vindhyan supergroup known for containing megafossils like Gripania, Spiralis and Chauraia circularis, and is considered as the tight gas formation. The uppermost stage of the Semri series is Rotas. D is the correct option. Next question. What is the age of the Panjal volcanoes of Kashmir? The options are A. Devonian, B. Carboniferous, C. Silurian and D. Ordovician. The age of the Panjal volcanoes of the Kashmir are Carboniferous. B is the correct option. Next question. Kaladgi series is considered equivalent to A. Vindhyans, B. Dharwars, C. Kadpas and D. Cambrians. Kaladgi series are equivalent to the Kadpas. Both the Kaladgi and the Kadapa basins are the Proterozoic sedimentary basins, meaning they are formed during the Proterozoic eon, a period of Earth's history between the Archean and the Phanerozoic eons. The Kaladgi basin is located in the south and eastern part of the Dharwar crater, while the Kadapa basin is located in the southern part of the Peninsular Gneissic complex. So the Kaladgi series is considered equivalent to the Kadapa. C is the correct option. Next question. Neyveli lignite deposits belongs to the age of A. Tertiary, B. Miocene, C. Eocene, D. Pliocene. Neyveli lignite deposits, they belongs to Eocene. So Neyveli lignite deposits are located in Tamil Nadu, India. These are of the late Paleocene to Middle Eocene age. Next question. Animals which live near the surface of the ocean are called A. Benthos, B. Pelagic, C. Planktonic and D. Orbitolans. Animals which live near the surface of the ocean are known as the pelagic. Animals which live near the surface of the ocean, often in the upper layers of the water column, these are called as pelagic forms. B is the correct option. Next question. Foraminifera belong to the phylum A. Arthropoda, B. Coelenterata, C. Protozoa and D. Porifera. Foraminifera, they belong to the phylum Protozoa. So the foraminifera, they are single-celled marine protists, meaning they belong to the phylum Protozoa. Specifically the class Sarcodina, which includes amoeboid protists with pseudopodia. So foraminifers belong to the phylum Protozoa. C is the correct option. Next question. Brachiopoda attain maximum development in A. Riphean, B. Cambrian, C. Ordovician and D. Devonian. So the brachiopods, they have attained maximum development in the Devonian. So brachiopods, they first appear in the early Cambrian. Their maximum development and diversity occurred later during the Paleozoic era, that is particularly in the Devonian period. Next question. In the articulates, the walls are held by A. teeth and muscles, B, adductors and mantle, C, adductors and teeth, D, muscles and mantle. In the articulates, the walls are held by teeth and muscles. In articulate brachipod, the walls are held together by combination of teeth and sockets along with the hinge line, as well as adductor muscles that close the walls. Next question. The lower part of the trilobite body is called A, pygidium, B, thorax, C, cephalon, and D, pluvia. The lower part of the trilobite body is known as a pygidium. Next question. The usual mode of fossilization of graptolites is A, petrifaction, B, mold, C, carbonization, D, preservation of entire organism. So the usual mode of fossilization of graptolites is carbonization, where the organic material of the organism is preserved as a thin black carbon film on the surface of the rock, often in black shales. So the usual mode of fossilization of graptolites is carbonization. C is the correct option. Next question. The geological range of spirifer is A, Ordovician to Jurassic, B, Ordovician to Recent, C, Ordovician to Silurian, and D, Triassic to Recent. The geological range of spirifer is Ordovician to Jurassic. The genus Spirifer of marine brachiopods, they lived from middle Ordovician through to the late Triassic. So the geological range of Spirifer is Ordovician to Jurassic. Next question. Marine fossils of the Permian age are A, Physa, B, Productus, C, Ammonites, and D, Echinoids. So obviously C, Ammonites is the correct option. Ammonites are the significant part of the marine fossil record during the Permian period. Though they faced a major reduction in diversity at the end of that period, marine fossils, most of the Permian age are Ammonites. C is the correct option. Next question. The upper Gondwana flora is A, Cyclodendron, B, Glossopteris, C, Ptilophyllum, D, Gangamopteris. The upper Gondwana flora is Ptilophyllum. The upper Gondwana flora, this is also known as the Ptilophyllum flora. This is characterized by the dominance of Ptilophyllum, a leaf genus, and other cycadophytes, coniferales, and ginkgogales, and spans from the Jurassic to lower Cretaceous periods. So the upper Gondwana flora is Ptilophyllum. Next question. What is the age of the ceratides? A, Paleocene, B, Cretaceous, C, Jurassic, and D, Triassic. The age of the ceratides is Triassic. The extinct genus of ammonite cephalopods, ceratides, it lived during the Triassic period, specifically in the Middle Triassic. Next question. The skeleton of foraminifera is composed of A, chitin, B, aragonite, C, calcite, D, silica. The skeleton of foraminifera, it is composed of calcite. The shells are tests of many foraminifera. They are composed of a calcite, a form of calcium carbonate. Next question. In an overturned isoclinal fold, the axial plane is A, vertical, B, horizontal, C, curved, D, inclined. In an overturned isoclinal fold, the axial plane is inclined. An overturned fold is characterized by both limbs dipping in the same direction with one limb overturned or having the strata on one limb overturned. Next question. At some places, the Vindhyans outcrop through the Deccan Traps. Such an occurrence of older rocks surrounded by younger rocks is called A, unconformity, B, inlier, C, outlier, D, bonanza. So the correct option is B, inlier. Inlier, it refers to an area where older rocks are exposed and surrounded by younger rocks, typically formed by erosion or faulting that exposes the underlying older rock. So B, inlier is the correct option. Hope you have followed the content in the questions. Thank you for your suggestions. See you in the next video. Hope you can subscribe and share this video.